Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install the Taken 7 game on your PC or laptop. So guys, the process was very simple. You just need to open up your any browser and just search for the Steam on the Google and just open up the first website which says the welcome to Steam. Click on the login option you are seeing on the top. And if you have an account then just simply log in, and if you don't have, just click on the create an account and just create it. Click on the install Steam option. After that, now here click on the install Steam, then it will start downloading the setup of the Steam. So you just need to open it and install the setup on your PC, and this is the very simple and easy process. After that, just sign into your account and here click on the search box on your Steam. Now here you can just type the Taken 7 and the Taken 7 game will show on the top like this. Just click on the Taken 7 game, then it will open like this. You just need to scroll down, you will see the add to cart option. So obviously it is not free, it is the you need to pay the $49 to buy it. So you can also download the other version. Click on the add to cart and it will give you the option to view my card. Just click on the view my card, click on the continue to payment option. So now from here you just need to pay with your PayPal or any other card you have. So once you pay the amount, just click on the library, and once you click on that on the right hand side, now the game Taken 7 will add it to your library. Click on the Taken 7 game. Here you will see the option to install it. Click on the install, then it will start downloading and installing into your PC. And if you find this video helpful, so please consider liking this video because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.